Hi, here I'm going to show you how to filter data using SQL language. In my previous Google spreadsheet, I show you how to filter data. Here I'm going to use SQL command to filter data. As you see here, I have a grocery list, and the columns include items type, store name, type of the product, and so forth. It continue right all the way to quantity, unit price, and price. Those are the columns. Alright, so I'm interested to filter my table using type, and I'm interested to filter only the produce. Alright, what I'm talking about, let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna filter only this information. I would like to see the table with produce, right, which is apple, cabbage, potato, all the way down, garlic, bulb. Those are produce, so I want to filter this data. I'm going to exclude the other, which is meat and dairy products. Right, so to do so, let's go to click the editor icon here, the blue one, the top middle. So I'm going to enter the basic SQL structure. So start with select, that's the basic structure of SQL. Select come first, from is for the second, that's where you enter the source of the table, and where, and the last order by. These are the basic structure, but now I don't need the order by. I'm interested to filter using the where command. Alright, I'm going to show you. Alright, next to select, you're going to enter the asterisk, which is a star sign. The star command is going to select all the columns, which means it's going to extract all the columns. Alright, all of them, all the columns are going to be selected using the star command. Alright, and from the source, so my source is the dataset is sample lower dash dataset, and my table is grocery list. Okay, I'm going to type those. Right, dataset is sample lower dash, which is this one. Let's pop up by itself. Click on it, enter that, then enter the table name. Right, now where, so let me go back to the table. Where I'm interested in the type column, I'm interested in the type column. Copy the column name. Where type is equals for is alright. Let me go back. So I'm interested in produce, right? What is produce? Alright, so I'm going to enter produce. I just enter one of the names. Alright, copy, paste. And now watch out here, when you enter the text, always make sure you include those. I have to put those always put this apostrophe. Okay, single apostrophe. Where is the single one? Here. You have to put the single apostrophe for text. Alright, if it's a number, you don't need. You can enter semicolon. Alright, now you're gonna hit run. Alright, let me pull over the line. Here you go. Now see, as you see here, my table had only the produce, which are apple, cabbage, all the way down garlic. You don't see potato, I mean meat, which is the beef. You don't see dairy, which is milk. Alright, so I have only the produce type. So I filter my data using SQL. Alright, I can add more condition. For example, after you filter with produce only. Maybe interested to see which produce is more expensive, so I could put like, you know, any price more than maybe $15. So I'd like to know which produce costs me more than $15. So total price is here at the very end. Alright, see here, so at the very end this part is the total price, right, for each item. So I would like to know which item costs me more than $15. So I'm gonna put one more condition, alright, to filter it. Okay, now, and I could put end command, and let's go back to the name of the column, that's price, copy and paste. Okay, end is the command, then the column, produce is greater than $15, right? So I would like to know which item costs me more than $15. Hit. Alright. So I got one product. Here you go, the one costs me $20.32. And what item is it? Let me go back, see. The item is carrot. So I spend more on carrot out of those produce. Alright, thank you for watching. So this helps you how to filter data. Alright, thank you very much.